Mintirang ba ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ula pentep ba ka Sorkar ka pediang sobha ya ka jingkwa jong ka seng New Trap National Liberation Council ka bade ka seng lano bala snyo be an bandan ka jingikran nisuk haba pentep ya kania din balawai ka Jylang ka long hasketriat ha ka no pai singi ka khandai tere udampang arhajar arpuar ulo ong ba ka Sorkar ka pediang sobha ya ka jingkwa ka HNLC bandan ka jingikran nisuk bad yamanta ka Sorkar ka dak up ya ka shithi bakin pha nakaliang ka chungki.
We have seen in the newspaper that there was a press release that was given by the HNLC, where they have expressed that they would like to have discussion and talks with the government, and that these will be unconditional, and in the interest of peace they would like to move in this direction. And based on that, the government of Meghalaya has already started going through different names for interlocutor, and we welcome the step that has been taken, and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes, and therefore we are waiting for the formal communication from their side. It has to be in the form of a formal letter for the government to start moving on it, but we have also seen and only the press release yet. So we will be we'll be selecting people from in general from society, from different backgrounds, and of course what is important is that these people should be people who have enough experience, who have have the necessary I should say qualities to negotiate well and discuss and talk in these matters, people who understand the subject well. So it will be a very broad kind of a thing. We have already in fact made a panel, and those panel of names have already been sent to me, and we have already had a meeting with the Home Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, and other senior officials of the Government of Meghalaya, and we have already gone through those names. This is a process that has to be taken up with Government of India, so it will not be appropriate for me to comment on that. But as I said, once the official communication from their side comes in, then we will take it up with Government of India. We have, as I said, made a panel of names, and we are going to now propose those names, and as I said, we will only propose it once we get the letter from them, an official communication from them. So we are very confident that the kind of people we have gone through the list, a very long list we had gone through, and we have zeroed down a few names. So as I said, once official communication starts, then we will finalize. Obviously, these are all scenarios which one does not know, so we cannot start commenting on if and what happens if this happens or that happens. Till the communication does not come in, and till the talks don't start, the government will always be very careful and ensure that we continue to do our work, the police department will continue to do its work. So those things will continue as it is, and obviously let the process start, and let's see, and we're hopeful that this will move in the right direction.